India has the largest cotton acreage in the world. About 40% of the world's area under cotton cultivation is in India, with 12.5 to 13.5 million hectares. The state of Maharashtra harvests more cotton than the entire African continent. Cotton serves as a livelihood for approximately 6 million farmers in India. The Indian textile industry is the second largest employer after agriculture, with over 45 million direct and 60 million indirect employees. The textile and garment industry contribute 14% to the total industrial production of India. However, cotton is primarily grown by smallholder farmers with less than 2 hectares of land. Many farmers and their families face challenges related to low productivity and increasing cost of production, such as for fertilizers and pesticides. In fact, 65% of India's cotton is produced in rain-fed agriculture and therefore vulnerable to the effects of climate change. Progressing soil erosion and the loss of biodiversity are threatening farmers' livelihoods further.
मैं तो खेती कर रहा 6 साल से कर रहा 2 एकड़ में कपास लगाया तो कहीं नहीं निकलो। ज़मीन भी हल्की है और पानी का समस्या, और कपास भी कहीं नहीं 2 कुंटल भी नहीं निकलो, कहीं नहीं निकलो। पानी का समस्या और ये बीमारी भी, ज़्यादा जंतु पड़ गया, कीड़ा वो खाई गया।
The cotton sector is highly fragmented and lacks effective communication and coordination between the actors of primary cotton production and the downstream processing stage. Only a small portion of the entire cotton production and supply chains has adopted internationally recognized sustainability standards, or adequate quality management standards is needed under the sustainability standard regimes.
The GIZ Global Program, Sustainability and Value Added in Agricultural Supply Chains in India, aims to increase the value addition from sustainable cotton production and to strengthen domestic supply chains for processing sustainable cotton. We work in 4 states: Maharashtra, Gujarat, Tamil Nadu and Madhya Pradesh.
In collaboration with global and national textile companies, standard organizations and local partners, the project strengthens efficient, climate-resilient, and local resource-based organic cotton production.
Under this project, we are trying to touch upon various aspects of our supply chain to improve the extension and advisory services with capacity building measures to farmers, so that they can avail best package of practices and knowledge on the same. The second part is on the input, where one important aspect is the seed. In case of organic supply chains, the farmers are facing great difficulty to access good quality non-GM cotton seeds. And under this project, we are trying to support the existing research which Remai Biore is doing on producing and developing non-GM cotton seeds. And this project brings in support infrastructures in terms of seed multiplication, GMO testing, and storing the seeds in a germplasm storage.
मी 20 वर्षापासून कपास लावत आहे शेतीमध्ये. त्यामुळे आम्हाला काही याच्यामध्ये खूप घाटा येत आहे कपाशीमध्ये. आता 4 वर्ष झाले आम्ही वेल्समन कंपनीला जुळला आहे. त्यामुळे वेल्समन कंपनीचे लोक आमच्याकडे येतात, अधिकारी येतात, कापूसाबद्दल आम्हाला माहिती सांगतात की केव्हा फवारणी करायची, केव्हा खत द्यायचं, किती द्यायचं, किती प्रमाण ठेवायचं त्याचं, किती फवारणी करायच्या, किती अंतरावर पराठी लावायची, किती बियाणं वापरायचं, किती फवारणी करायची, डोस किती द्यायचे औषधीचे किंवा खताचं, आणि पाणी कमी लागते, याच्याप्रमाणे ते सांगत असतात. आता आम्हाला मागच्या 4 वर्षाच्या आधी खूप बोंडअळी आली होती, त्याच्यामुळे आम्हाला उत्पन्न कमी होत होतं. आता 4 वर्षापासून आम्ही वेल्सन कंपनीला मिळलो, त्यामुळे आम्हाला त्यांनी रासायनिक खतं कोणते वापरायचे, युरिया सुफला कोणता द्यायचा, पराठीला फवारणी कोणती द्यायची त्यांनी सांगितलं. त्याच्यामुळे आम्हाला बराचसा फायदा झाला आणि पहिलेपेक्षा आता जास्त आम्हाला उत्पन्न पण होत आहे आणि फवारणीचा खताचा खर्च कमी झाला आहे आमचा.
चैलेंजेस यदि हम देखें तो फार्मर्स के सामने इंसेक्ट का चैलेंजेस काफ़ी बड़ा था. साथ में लोकली अवेलेबल हर्ब्स हैं और बॉटनिकल आइटम्स है, उनसे कैसे अपने इनपुट्स बना सके फार्मर्स. इसके लिए प्रेरणा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ने एक विलेज बेस्ड इनपुट प्रोडक्शन सेंटर कम ट्रेनिंग सेंटर बनाए और हमने ये इनिशिएटिव इसीलिए स्टार्ट किया कि ये इनपुट प्रोडक्शन सेंटर्स इनिशिएटिव्स फार्मर्स को लोकली प्रैक्टिकल ट्रेनिंग अवेलेबल करा सके, सो दैट वो अपना प्रैक्टिकली प्रायोगिक रूप से अपना ऑर्गेनिक इनपुट्स अपने ऑन फार्म पर बना सके.
Westburn Foundation, in collaboration with the Wadhwani Institute for Artificial Intelligence, we come up with one cotton S applications which works on the technology of artificial intelligence. Our farmers are using these applications to monitor and to detect the level of infestations of the pink bollworm and American bollworm. These applications giving the right decision to the farmers and giving the proper recommendations how to control that pink bollworm infestations. Our recent study carried out to analyze this impact shows that there is a 12% increase in the yield, and at the same time there is a 10% reduction in the cost of cultivations by reducing the chemical sprays. Last but not the least, we are using the source trace applications where we are geotagging all our farm fields and their farm boundaries into our system. So it helps us to trace the fields from where our cotton is coming. At the same time, our field team is putting all the farm data into these applications, from land preparation to the harvesting and the marketing. So this data helps us to monitor and to evaluate the impact of our interventions.
कंपनी जब खरीदती है तो उसमें हमारे को जो एक्सपेंसेस लगते हैं वो नहीं लगते दूसरों की तुलना में, कि ये घर से इनकी सब व्यवस्थाएं कर देते हैं. किसान के घर से कंपनी ले जाती है और जो भी उत्पादन हुआ है उसका पर क्विंटल कुछ प्रीमियम या बोनस कहें, वो एक प्रोत्साहन राशि के रूप में जो मिलती है, तो वो जो एवरेज नहीं मिल पाता दूसरों किसानों की तुलना में, वो उसकी बराबरी कर देता है.
We do not only work on the farm level but along the supply chain. Introducing innovations in the sector, we do promote global knowledge transfer. Together with the World Bank and in collaboration with Indian industry associations and textile companies, the reuse of wastewater from textile processing is promoted through the introduction of trading certificates.
Partnering with renowned universities including RWTH Aachen, University of Augsburg and Niederrhein University of Applied Sciences, the project aims to improve technical equipment and occupational safety in ginning mills.
So far, we have supported 240,000 smallholder farmers for sustainable cotton production under global cotton standards, the Better Cotton Initiative, Fairtrade standards and organic cotton. And we are highly motivated to continue our work to promote sustainability and value added in agricultural supply chains in India. When you as a consumer buy a towel, think about the questions: where's the cotton coming from? How's it produced?
The project approach works from the shelf to the field, starting with the consumer along the supply chain to the producer. It aims to establish direct market linkages for the project farmers and integrate them into internationally recognized standards for supply chain transparency and integrity.